Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify skipping songs. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify skipping songs, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this list, you will click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on your Spotify app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.